Hey, what's up, YouTube family? This your boy Ray Mack from Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. We're doing some Southern style candied yams. You're gonna love this here recipe. So let's get into this recipe right now. I got 3 sweet potatoes that I want to go ahead and I'm peeling these potatoes. Then after I peel these potatoes, I'm gonna cut these potatoes up in quarters. Once I've cut them up in quarters, I'm gonna take them to the sink and I'm gonna wash these babies off before I add these babies to the pot. So let's go. You better not go nowhere because you're gonna miss an awesome video. So stay tuned. Let's get into this here, y'all. Now, since we got our potatoes cleaned up, we want to go ahead and add these potatoes to the skillet. Now, if you want to use a cast iron skillet to do your potatoes, you can. If you want to go ahead and try to do these in the oven, you can, but I'm doing these on the stove top. One of the ingredients that I'm adding to this is some apple cider, all right? Or you could use apple juice if you can't find the apple cider. It's that time of year. It's Christmas, y'all. So here we go. Now, I want you to go ahead and just pour in at least half of this here apple cider. Fill your pot up half of the way, okay? Once you filled it up half of the way, what I need you to do is go ahead and cut your stove on to medium-high heat and allow this baby to cook. Put your lid on it, okay? Let it come to a boil. Now, once it comes to a boil, what I want you to do is just take a fork and see how tender it is. But once it comes to a boil, I want you to put your lid back on and allow this baby to cook for about 10 minutes, okay? Then I'm going to tell you what we're going to do next. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ingredients. Since it came to a boil for about 10 minutes, we got 3/4 cups of dark brown sugar. Go ahead and add your brown sugar to this. And I'm telling you right now, y'all, I love candy yams. And I know a lot of you other people out there that's listening love candy yams. So give this recipe a try. So we have 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And if you want to add more cinnamon to this, be my guest and do so. It's your candy yams, all right? So the next thing we're going to add to this is some ground nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, all right? I did a YouTube live video making some candy yams with the YouTube family members, and they created this. So here we go, y'all. Now we're going to add some savoriness to this here. I want to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, all right? Try this recipe for your Christmas holiday coming up in 2021. I guarantee you, you're going to love it. Not only you, your family is going to love it as well. Now, the last ingredients we're going to add to this here, baby, is 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're going to let this thing come together. I want you to go ahead and put a lid on this baby. Allow it to cook for at least around about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever comes first. Test it until it's fork tender. Then you can go ahead, man, and I'll give you the next step, okay? You better not go nowhere. Put a lid on it. Now I want you to go ahead and bring this to a boil. Now, when it comes to a boil, I want you to test this baby out. Taste it just to see if your seasonings is where it need to be, all right? Then still continue to test your potatoes with a fork to see how tender they are. Now, I want you to go ahead and put a lid back on this baby and let them cook again if they're not tender. But once they are tender, do me a favor. This is the next step. Turn your heat down to medium, and then I want you to take your lid off. The reason for that, we want this liquid to evaporate down a little bit, okay? So once you've done that, and once you potatoes are coated well with that syrup, now you can go ahead and serve this baby up on your dinner plate. This is good for Sunday dinner. This is good for any holiday dinners or whatever the case may be. This is even good just to eat it by itself. And I'm telling you right now, this is good if you want to dip some fried chicken in it. I'm not joking. Use them juices to dip some fried chicken in. I guarantee you, you will love it. Trust and believe me, I know. But y'all, look here, I'm not joking about dipping that juice, dipping that fried chicken in that syrup. I'm serious as I could possibly be. You better give it a try, man. No joke. So this is what I need you guys to do for me, all right? Please go ahead and like this here video if you like it. You understand what I'm saying? Not only that, please go ahead and share this video out to all of your friends. Tell a friend that Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill is doing something good. Also hit that notification bell so you could get notified. Don't you want to get notified? Then I want you guys to do me another favor. Please subscribe to my channel, Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill, and give these here sweet potatoes, give these candied yams a try. Somebody need to eat these candied yams. I know they're good because I'm looking at them right now and they look so good. And I know one thing for sure, they taste mighty, mighty fine. Y'all better get in that kitchen and cook something. This your boy Ray Mack. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.